Hey everybody, Pineapple Dan, NiagaraTropics.com. Just a Pindo update in front of my lawn. Here we are, August 20th, 2018, and I just wanted to, a few of you have asked me, so I just wanted to show you an update here on how it survived transplant shock and, of course, you know, a pretty harsh winter. So here we are, again, like I mentioned, in late summer, and just so you know, what I like to do is I like to mark my palms, as you can see, with the frond growth. And in fact, what I do is I date them. So if I go back to last year before wrapping, I like to mark the date. So here we are, again, October last year, November. That's where the markings were, as you can see. And here we are with some significant growth from that point on. So just a remarkable tree, very happy now, solidly in ground. And what I like the most is the fact that they're putting on some little offshoots there from some of the seeds that have, you know, fallen into the boots and the cut off fronds from this Pindo right here. So anyways, there you go.